Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say welcome. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this video or if it was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Today I'm making a coloring card for my kids, which these can be found in Cricut Design Space. So let's get started. So in your left side panel, just click on projects and type coloring book or coloring card. Scroll down and here it is. I'm just going to zoom out. I don't need all three, so I'm going to delete these two. Now click on this one, and on the bottom right panel, click detach. This separates the cut image to the writing image. Select the writing and delete. Now that I have the card alone, I'm going to make a duplicate. Now I'm switching tab and going to grab an image on Google. Just type coloring pages, and in this case I'm looking for Peppa Pig. Go to images, then search for the image you like. Click on the image, and I'm going to save a couple of different ones, and I'm going to save them onto my download folder. Now I'm switching back to Cricut Design Space so we can upload those images. So click upload, upload again, browse, and search the file, then double click. Let's choose complex, then continue, then continue again. We are saving this image as a print then cut file, which is the left box. Name the file if you'd like, then click save. And we're gonna grab the other image and do the same. So go to upload, browse, find the file, and double click. Choose complex, then continue, continue again. Save the image as print and cut file, name the file, and click save. Let's click on both files and then click insert. I'm just going to move these images so I can resize them. Then I'm going to just change the colors on the cards. There's no need to do this, it's just a reference or a preference. Now I'm going to place the image on top of the card so I can resize it to what I want. I think this looks good, so I'm going to click on the card and hide them. I'm ready to print these images, so I'm going to move them a little closer to each other. Select both, attach, and flatten. Slightly bring it down, and I'm going to rotate the image because print and cut only allows you to print 6.75 by 9.25. Then click Make It. Then continue. Send to printer and verify your printer. Turn off the bleed button. Click on Advanced Options. Click Layout. Scroll down to Print Settings. Then choose Color or Grayscale and print. And please don't mind my settings. My needle is becoming dull. That is why I have it on vinyl settings. If your needle is great, stay on paper settings. Load the mat and click Go. You will see a light comes on, which means it is scanning the registration marks so the machine will know exactly where to cut. And once it's done, it'll just start cutting. Unload the mat. Carefully remove the paper from the mat. Let's go ahead and hide the images. Then unhide the cards. Select both cards. Group it. No need to group it, this is just a preference. Going to rotate the cards so that both can fit on my 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Click Attach. And then click Make It. On the left hand side, you can change the material size if you'd like. I'm not going to, only because I already know the size of the card I'm using is just fine. So I'm going to click Continue. And here it is. And I'm just going to run a tape behind the print image on all 4 sides. Then find where to place and just stick it to the card. As you can see, I've done more than a couple. And I've got these crayons that I got from Office Depot. I'm just going to dump it out, take 2 crayons and place it on the coloring card. And there you go. That is how you make the coloring card on Cricut Design Space. Alright you guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like or leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys later.